Today's questions we're going to be looking at are writing a ratio as a fraction. So we've got 2-mark questions to start with. In a bag there are blue sweets and red sweets. The ratio of blue sweets to red sweets is 5:3. So that's really important because when we're looking at that ratio 5:3, it's told us that blue comes first because it's blue to red. So blue and then red. It says what fraction of the sweets are blue. So we're looking at blue and we want to write that as a fraction. So if I just look at this ratio here, when I look at the blue, I've got 5 parts of blue. Now, that's what's going to go at the top of my fraction because that's what I've asked to look at, the blue. But on the bottom of my fraction, it has to be how many parts there are altogether. And altogether, 5 parts blue, 3 parts red, there are 8 parts altogether. So to write that as a fraction, I would write 5 for my blue out of 8. If it asked you to write it in its simplest form, it would mean you'd be able to simplify the fraction, but in this case we can't. Next one then. In a bag there are blue sweets, red sweets and green sweets. The ratio of blue sweets to red sweets to green sweets is 5:3:2. So if we just look at that ratio to start then, 5:3:2. It says blue to red to green. So blue's going to come first, then red, then green. It's asked us, what's the fraction of sweets are green? So if we look at green, there's 2 parts green. That's going to go on the top of my fraction. And then all together then, 5, 3 and 2 gets me 10. 10 parts all together. So my fraction would be 2 out of 10.